Milo and the Magic Clock. Once upon a time, in a small and cheerful town, there lived a little boy named Milo. Milo loved playing outside, building forts, and chasing butterflies. But there's one problem. Milo hated doing his homework. Every night when Mama said, "Milo, it's time to study," Milo would groan. "Maybe later, Mama. I'm busy." One evening, as Milo was doodling instead of studying, he heard a tiny voice whisper, "Tick-tock, tick-tock, wasting time, rocks the clock." Milo jumped up. On his desk stood a tiny golden magic clock. It had tiny feet and shiny hands that danced when it spoke. The clock said, "If you want to be a champion, you need discipline. If you want to reach your dreams, you need determination." Milo asked, "What do those big words mean?" The clock giggled. "Discipline means doing what's right even when you don't feel like it. Determination means never giving up even when it's hard." Milo thought hard. He wanted to become a great inventor someday. He wanted to build rocket ships and candy machines. So from that night on, Milo made a plan. He did his homework before playing, listened carefully to his teacher, and practiced reading and math every day. Some days were easy and some days were tough. But Milo knew with discipline and determination makes you shine. At the end of the school year, guess what? Milo got the Best Inventor Award at the science fair. He had built a mini candy shooting rocket, and in the crowd, Milo could almost hear the magic clock whistling proudly. "Tick-tock, tick-tock," he'd raise the clock and lift the block. So from that day forward, Milo knew with discipline and determination, any dream is possible.